In a major development, the SUI Northern Gas Pipelines Limited has announced significant reduction in UFG and volumetric losses of the company, announcing the results of first quarter of financial year 2021 of 3-year UFG reduction plan approved by ECC. The company has declared 1.6% and 1,576 mmCF reduction in UFG losses and volumetric losses against targets of 1.25% and 1,425 mmCF respectively. According to the company's spokesperson, this translates into financial savings of rupees 755 million. It is pertinent to mention that SNGPL has initiated dedicated efforts for gas theft control, rectification of gas leakages, and resolution of measurement errors. In addition to it, special efforts are being made for controlling losses in areas with high UFG rate which affected the company in the past and contributed for more than 33% in total volumetric losses of the company. Highlighting the key achievements made by SNGPL, the company spokesperson said average monthly gas losses in high UFG areas have been reduced by 40% from 1,413 mmCF to 856 mmCF with the help of law enforcement agencies. The company removed 1,008 illegal taps, all such areas, while lodging 104 FIRs. The company has also increased vigilance and consequently 14,488 gas theft cases were detected. Special rates resulted in booking of 404 mmCF or rupees 472 million against consumers of various categories. Making best use of technology, SNGPL has detected 2,36,808 above ground and 7,889 underground leakages through laser leak detectors. SUI Northern Gas has also finalized its future course of action to achieve annual targets. Some of the major initiatives include full coverage of all industrial consumers through SCADA system. The company has planned to install 200 cyber locks on suspected industrial consumers to restrict any possible unauthorized access. Survey for detection of underground leaks in leakage-prone regions of Lahore and Peshawar is also underway. The company aims to achieve all these targets by the end of January 2021. In addition, the company will be making raids for special monitoring of suspected consumers, micro-monitoring of losses at regulating station level, digitization of distribution network, and segmentation of distribution network in large cities for pressure optimization is also part of the company's plans.